ADC cleaning validation requires analytical methods sensitive enough to detect even trace linker payload residues. Hi, I'm Kang, lead scientist of ADC analytical method development at Samsung Biologics. ADC payloads are highly potent cytotoxic compounds. In multi-product facilities, even trace linker payload residues on shared equipment can create potential risks for operator safety, product quality, and cross-contamination control. That is why ADC cleaning validation requires a more rigorous linker payload analytical strategy than conventional biologics. At Samsung Biologics, analytical development is integrated into our bioconjugation platform from the earliest stages. As conjugation processes evolve, our analytical methods evolve alongside them, supporting process understanding from early development through manufacturing. For example, we developed an LC-MS-MS-MRM method capable of detecting linker payload residues down to 0.03 nanograms per milliliter, while reducing false negatives by more than 90% compared to UV-based detection. We also apply FIA-MRM to streamline method development by bypassing lengthy chromatographic optimization, helping analytical methods keep pace with fast-moving ADC pipelines. As ADC modalities become more complex, safe multi-product manufacturing requires rigorous analytical oversight across the development lifecycle. This is how Samsung Biologics supports ADC programs from analytical strategy to execution.